Great. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's Healing Circle Talks. And again, as all other circle, this is going to be a very unique and special circle. And always uh, grateful to hold this space once again. And very happy to see Divya also here. Wonderful. Wow, great. So before we begin the circle, as usual, we will start with the guidelines. And great. Just a second. Healing circles are safe havens. They are built on the foundation of kindness and respect. We all agree to listen with compassion and curiosity. We honor each other's unique ways of healing and don't presume to advise or fix or try to save each other. We hold all the stories shared in the circle within us, and we trust each one of us has guidance we need within us, and we rely on the power of silence to access it. So, thank you so much. And today we have Saloni with us. Last time we heard a part of her journey, and today she's going to share how her journey began, and also the experiences and her learnings and क्या क्या चीज़ों उन्होंने उससे सीखी, and the results that she has, the experience that she has found from those learnings. So, Dr. Saloni Chawla, meditation and spiritual counselor, physiotherapist, and social worker. She helps cancer patients through spiritual healing and energy therapies. She has helped people with drug addiction, delivered motivational lectures, conducted meditation sessions, Vipassana meditator as well, and pranic healing and mind reprogramming. So, very happy to have you with us, Saloni. And over to you. Would love to understand from you आपका जर्नी कैसे begin हुआ in this field, and
Hmm.
the thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for the warm welcome. And I have a huge respect for you as well. So you are the beginner of everything. So I want to start this session with a small meditation. So I just want everyone to just close your eyes for just 1 or 2 minutes. So let's begin. Is I'm audible to everyone?
We can hear you.
Okay, fine. So just by closing your eyes, take a deep breath in and release out. Again, breathe in and say yourself, wow, what a beautiful life. Wow, this is so miraculous. I am so healthy. I am so happy with whatever I have today. Thank you, God, for everything. Say thank you to yourself first because you are the best person in your life. Thank you to myself for whatever I fought in my life because I am best version of myself always. Thank you to my hands, my eyes, my body, my foot, wherever they go, they are just magical. Thank you, thank you, thank you to everything around because thank you is everything. My life is full of gratitude, full of magic. Today, I allow all the magic to go inside my body and heal every cell of my body. Wow, I am so lucky. Now, just say good morning to your peace, which is sleeping. Say yourself inside your mind, good morning, peace, let's wake up. Good morning, peace, let's wake up and see this world more peacefully and more happily. Thank you, God, for this peaceful life. I am a very peaceful soul. I am very healthy. Again, say yourself inside your mind, thank you, thank you, thank you. And just open your eyes with very much magic around. Welcome. So, welcome everyone. I'm Dr. Saloni and I'm a physiotherapist and meditation and spiritual counselor. So, why I use the word meditation and spiritual counselor? Basically, what meditation is. Meditation is something that has given so much to me in my life, and I have learned so much just by doing this meditation. So, I was in my seventh standard when I started everything like meditation, positivity, and all this stuff. So, why I'm here in this cancer healing journey? Because I saw that how tough it is to fight cancer, and I have seen many patients who go through the cancer journeys by just having so much of anxiety, panic, and fear to die one day and everything whatever the cancer do to them. But I personally feel that if you have these things inside your mind, like what energies are, how positivity can heal everything in your life, how you can use the love therapy, the water therapy, the food you eat, how you can heal your body with these things, so you can do anything in your life. So I want to start this session with a small story of one of my auntie. So I call her Jessie auntie, and her name is Jasveer Kaur. So when I came in her contact, she was having cancer in her esophagus at two places. She's in Canada right now, and I'm in India. But we do all the therapies on video call. So she's such a strong fighter that she's totally alone over there in Canada, and her two younger sons died very soon when she was around 35, and she's just having her husband and herself in over there. And when she came to know that she's having cancer, she was full of panic that she will definitely die. So when I just called her and I just talked to her about her the cancer, so she told me that I'm going to die within 3 months. No, I will not live for sure. So she was continuously saying these things that I will die, I will die, I will die, because the panic she was having inside her mind with the word cancer, like what cancer really cancer means die, cancer means, because it is like she was not aware of the things. So when we started talking, the doctors told her to have 8 or 9 chemotherapies, which were after 3 days sessions, because in Canada the treatment is quite different from India. So after some chemotherapies, they recommended some camera therapies, that camera will go into her esophagus and they'll check the cancer, where the cancer is, and they'll take the cancer from fourth stage to second stage, and then they'll operate the cancer. So when she started with chemotherapy, someone told her that chemotherapy is like कि सांप का जहर चढ़ाना. So she called me and she said, "Oh my God, मुझे तो कल सांप का जहर चढ़ना है, मैंने तो नहीं बचना, मुझे तो किसी ने बोल दिया." मतलब what people say to her, she always she लोगों से she was used to ask कि chemotherapy क्या होती है, and everyone just said ये तो बहुत मुश्किल होती है, ऐसी होती है, ऐसी होती है, ऐसी होती है. तो मैंने उनको ऐसे ही मतलब आई टोल्ड हर सो मेनी लाइज कि कीमोथेरेपी कुछ भी नहीं होता है, ये तो जस्ट पानी होता है, सिंपल चढ़ाना है. मतलब उनकी माइंड की जो रीप्रोग्रामिंग होती है, जो पेशेंट की जो भी होती है, दैट इज एवरीथिंग. सो हर माइंड वाज रीप्रोग्राम्ड कि कीमोथेरेपी इज सांप का जहर एंड शी विल डाई फॉर श्योर आफ्टर दिस फर्स्ट कीमोथेरेपी इवन. So when she went over there for a chemotherapy session, we used a technique that is water therapy. What basically water therapy is, पानी क्या होता है, पानी has its own memory, right? So जो भी हम पानी को बोलते हैं, उसने उसी चीज को हमारी लाइफ में क्रिएट करना है, and this is a secret. You can search it. There is Dr. Masaru on Google. You can search it. That he did so many experiments on water, that how our energy and thoughts affect the water. So what basically chemotherapy medicines are, they are water, right? So water में कोई ना कोई medicine mix की होती है. So whatever we say to water, it becomes that. So whenever we see the water and we start saying this is healing water, this is healing water, this will heal me within. So she used the same technique that I told her. She saw her chemotherapies drugs bottles, and she started saying, wow, this is healing water, this is healing water, this will heal me. The whichever the color the medicine was, she started saying red healing water, green healing water, and whatever the color of the drug was. Whenever she started seeing this, the side effects of chemotherapy started to decline. Like whenever she used to say that, wow, this is red healing water, what is red color of love? So she said this is loving water, and this will produce love in her body. And she used to say that, wow, love, love, love. And the energy and the techniques, energy therapy is what we use what we say to anything, it becomes that. So whenever we say water to water that wow, I am so healthy, you are the best medicine, it has a memory that it catches and it starts doing the same thing in our body. So when she used to say these to her chemotherapy drugs, they give very miraculous results afterwards. So this is the one technique she used while her chemotherapist, and it really helped her. And after her chemotherapy, the side effects she was getting, the acidity, the nausea, vomiting, and everything, they were declining at every chemotherapy dose after her 8 to 9 chemotherapies. Then after she said, wow, chemotherapy is not that tough. It is easy. I was very much afraid because it is saap ka zahar, but it was not saap, it was general water. So after her chemotherapy, she had her radiation therapy. So doctors told her to that they'll put some camera inside her esophagus and they'll just see the cancer and just try to kill the cancer cells with the radiation therapy. So on the day of radiation, so we conducted a meditation session. We both one-to-one session, and in which every morning after waking up, she started saying that today is my best day and my radiation therapy is so easy, my cells are going so easily, I am so happy. Whatever affirmations she used to give to her mind, the day went like that. So whenever we use the therapy, we used to say to her doctor that her doctor is my good friend and he will heal me so easily. So after sending vibrations to doctor, to radiation machines, to therapists, she started her radiation therapy, and it also went away very good without any side effects. So what we did is in meditation, that whenever we think of something right now, like when she was thinking that it will happen, that I after on the day of my radiation it will give me so much of pain, or oh my god, camera is going inside, the panic she was having, it totally went away after the meditation. So I personally feel that meditation is very important as such as the medications are, right? So medications के साथ साथ जो meditation word है, meditation can do miracles in your life. So उसके बाद when we used meditation every morning on her radiation therapy day, so she used to say, wow, I am releasing, I am healing, I am healing. I am healing is like a word which really healed her. She used to write notes in her room, like by writing I am healing in Hindi, मैं निरोग हूँ, मैं स्वस्थ हूँ, मैं संपूर्ण स्वास्थ्य की तरफ जा रही हूँ, like Hindi affirmations or English affirmations, whatever you want to write. So these affirmations really helped her to heal her cancer just by radiation therapy. Just the thing I want to explain is that as such as the medications are important, uh, the medication के साथ साथ जो meditation है, energy therapy है, water, love therapy, ये सारी चीजें उससे भी ज़्यादा important role play करती हैं to heal some cancers. So now after her radiation and chemos are over, she is going to have her surgery in next month in October. And she used to say that I will definitely die within 3 months when she was diagnosed, and now it's been 3 to 5 months after her diagnosis, and she always say I live 100 years, because she is so much of satisfied with the healing things she's doing to herself, because she activated her self healing powers. So this is what my purpose of being here is, that we all have the self healing parts inside our body. Just the thing is that we need to activate those parts just by being some getting some awareness in your mind that wow, I am the creator and I can heal everything whatever I am having right now. Because first of all, we are the ones who created everything in our lives, and so we are the one who can heal those things for sure. So I used 5 things, so I want to share those 5 things. First was energy therapy. So what energy therapy is, whatever energy you give, you get back. Energy is like something vibrations, right? So as I'm saying the words, this is energy, this is vibrations which I'm spreading right now. So as you are catching it, that is vibration from your side. So we are connected to each other just by some energy. As there is a law of physics, quantum physics, called everything is energy. You may have heard about quantum physics, right? So what energy is, every thought of us is producing some energy. So we are made up of cells, 50 trillion cells are there in our body, right? So every cell has its own memory and own energy. So every morning whenever I say, oh my god, I'm so healthy, so all the 50 trillion cells start saying, I am so healthy, I'm so happy. So as every morning say I might die one day with cancer, so they start saying yes, you will definitely die, because they heard the word cancer. They are not hearing that I might die, just they just catch the vibrational, high vibrational word, and they started doing the same inside your body. So what I want you all to learn is, which I do on my personal perspective, is whenever you wake up, after just waking up for the 5 minutes of the starting of your day, whatever you say to yourself is whatever your destiny is. So whenever you start saying I am so healthy, I am so lucky, my body is totally healed, don't use the word cancer. Why to say cancer if you can say I am healthy? Just replace the word health, cancer, with I am healthy. I am healthy. If you are having fear that you might get cancer one day, just replace it, I will remain healthy for 100 years of my life. Why can't we become healthy? Everything is our thoughts. Whenever you start using your thought process, thought energy, subconscious mind reprogramming, you will start getting magic in your life. So the first thing we all should do every early morning is just by affirming yourself, I am so healthy, I am so lucky, I am totally healed, my every part of my body is vibrating at very high frequency. So this is one. Second is water therapy, or you can say food therapy. It is said that jaisa ann vaisa man, and जैसी वाणी जैसा पानी वैसी वाणी. So why it is said that कि जो जो हम अपने पानी को और अपने खाने को बोलते हैं, वही वही वो हमारी बॉडी में वाइब्रेशंस क्रिएट करता है. So what I do is I always charge my food and water before eating. How to charge it? Just by seeing the water and saying, this water will create magic in my life. I just order my water that, you know what, you will create magic, you will heal every part of my body, you will heal my eyesight, you will heal my pimples, you will help me to get good marks in my exams. And I drink it after saying these things. And whenever I eat my food, I just release the bad energies from my food, because we don't know from where the food is being prepared. Like first there are plants or of the grains, and then it come to the shops. So many vibrations are attached to that food. And then the person who cooks it, the vibration of the person really matters, who is the cooking the food, who is cooking the food. So whenever you eat the food, just say to your food, thank you god, this food will make me so healthy and heal my body. So after using these two things, water therapy, you must search it on Google, that what water can do to your life. Water is totally magical, totally magical.
Hi, Saloni.
I just sorry.
No,
uh,
let's
so
continue.
so I use the affirmation that is, I am master almighty soul. So what I use it means that I am having the powers more than god, I am master in the powers of god. So I use this affirmation and heal and charge my water, and then after I drink that water, so what it do is that I become more closer to god. And after saying this affirmation, I feel that this is the most powerful affirmation I ever used, that I am master almighty soul. So the next thing I used is love. What basically love therapy is, love is everything. Like if you have self-love for yourself, that if you really want to live, really want to heal yourself, then you can do everything. So what we used to do, me and auntie, I used to tell her just to go in front of mirror and say yourself, wow, you are so beautiful. You are getting young every day. Every morning I see you and you look more beautiful. Just by saying the false things to yourself, you will definitely one day get the truth, that thing in reality. And the fourth thing is to seek forgiveness from god. Why to seek forgiveness? It is like a Hawaiian practice. It is said that there is a meditation called Ho'oponopono. It is a very unique word, someone may have heard it. It is like by saying four things to god: I am sorry, please forgive me, I thank you, I love you. Why these four things? Because these are the most high vibrational things. So whenever you say I am sorry, please forgive me to god, so the healing energies definitely comes to you and you start healing yourself. And the fifth thing me and that auntie used were to be happy every moment, because this too shall pass, as we all know. So as much as you remain happy, you start more healing and you get everything, you know, healed properly within a short span of time, whenever you stay happy and pass that time with happiness. So laugh more and get less illness. So this was a small story.
Okay, thank you for sharing, Saloni. So, Saloni, wanted to understand that when your auntie was diagnosed, unka what stage she was diagnosed with?
She was diagnosed with fourth stage. Like I haven't seen her reports because the doctors over there, they just keep the reports with themselves in Canada. So there are some different rules from India. So what I know is she was having fourth stage cancer, and doctors wanted to take it to second stage after the chemo and radiation therapy, and then they were just planning to operate that. After surgery they'll just
Okay.
remove that tumor. Yeah,
Right. तो उन्होंने she must have started with medical treatment, उन्होंने lifestyle changes किए होंगे, and उसके
हाँ जी,
साथ में she was doing meditation and everything.
exactly, yeah.
Okay, okay. So, okay, and if let's say if today somebody is on the treatment and they also want to practice this, what are the things that they can do which will benefit them with this?
Yeah, sure. The first and the foremost thing is just whenever they wake up in the morning, that 5 to 10 minutes are very essential because our subconscious mind is awakened at that time when you wake up early. So, whenever after just waking up, just say to yourself, I am healthy, I am healing. These two lines will definitely help them because the positive energy they are giving to their subconscious mind will definitely produce healing in their body. So after saying themselves that I am healthy, I'm healing, just fold your hands and pray to God and get those healing energies inside your body. And the second thing is you can heal yourself with by using your hands. How to heal yourself by hands is just place your hands like this and just grant the healing energy from universe or God. That universe is sending the healing energy. As we go for Reiki therapy also, so they use their hands to heal the part of the body. So as we get the healing energy in our hands just by rubbing both the hands and just by putting the hands on the area which is being affected, so it will give the positive energy to the negative cancerous cells. Like it is written in a book also, The Power of Belief. There is a book. So whatever you believe, you will definitely achieve. Everything is your belief system. So whatever you think, the genes of your body, the protein structure of your body starts to changing. So if you really want to heal, you have to first believe that I am going to heal for sure within this span of time. So belief system is very important. So just believe that I'm going to heal and you will definitely heal. And the second thing I want to say, as I told earlier about water therapy, just charge your food and water. This is most important thing. As you charge your water, the water becomes medicine. It works as equal as a medicine. So whatever you want the water to do in your life, just charge it. Just search about water technique, water therapy on Google also. If the people who want to try this, there are so many videos on YouTube on water technique, what water therapy is. Just by charging their water, they can see miraculous results in their bodies. So these are the things, energies, positivity, and meditation is something. Just sit for 10 to 15 minutes different times of the day whenever you're comfortable, and just say the white light coming from the universe or God inside your body, and it is healing every organ, every part, or the particular area you want to heal. And that white light, it can be anything from any god or any religion, whom you people follow, whom the person follows, any person or any god, but the energy from the universe is same. Like you just have to think of the white light, it is coming over there, like you are just getting a positive aura around your body, and it will definitely help.
Okay, got it. Right.
Thanks.
How's your auntie doing now?
Sorry.
How's your auntie doing now?
She is very well. She is very well. I wanted her to connect, but she was in somewhere else. She was not. It was not possible her to connect. She is very well, and she is very much positive now. She always said that I'll live 100 years now.
Got it. Okay. Great. Would love to hear from others as well about their experience because we all experience this in our life when we are going through the journey. Some call it power of attraction, some call it the faith in the things that we
Yeah.
do. So yeah, we will start with Divya if you can speak.
Yes,
Hi.
I can speak now.
Hi. Great. Yeah. So how do you do your take care of your healing, Divya?
I basically, to be honest, I don't do any such thing. It's just that I process my mind in a way that I just have positive thoughts. ऐसा नहीं कभी negative thoughts नहीं आते, but yeah, most of the time I just have positive thoughts. And जब मैं chemotherapy भी ले रही होती हूँ, तो I tell myself that every drop that is going in my vein is healing me and destroying cancer cells.
Okay. And any affirmation that you use?
No, it's just I am healthy and I am healing. Just
Right.
two things.
I'm healthy and
I'm healing day by day. Yeah.
okay. And do you feel the changes when you do this?
Sorry.
Do you see the changes when you do this?
Yes, I feel more positive.
Wow. Okay. Certainly, it helps a lot. In fact, during Nitesh's time, I used to do a self-healing affirmation that I'm getting better and better. My all cells are getting healthier and healthier. And it's a wonderful self-healing affirmation. So, yeah, we automatically used to feel good after doing it for, some time. So, yeah, thank you. Anything else, Divya, that you do to ensure that you are healthy and healed?
These days I am just on rest.
Yeah, that's very important, taking rest. Yeah. And so is your chemotherapy over or it's going on?
It's going on. I need to get hospitalized on 21st September.
21st. So how it happens that some of the time you are, not feeling better, but some of the time, like today, you are very good.
पता नहीं अभी वाली कीमोथेरेपी से बहुत ज्यादा साइड इफेक्ट्स हुए थे लाइक पूरे 26 डेज का जो हमें गैप दिया था डॉक्टर्स ने तो पूरे ही टाइम साइड इफेक्ट चले रहे थे एंड नाउ डेज आई एम लूजिंग कंट्रोल ओवर माय फिंगर्स लाइक मैं ये वाली अपनी फिंगर मूव नहीं कर पाती वैसे बिल्कुल पास नहीं आ रही है वो तो अभी जाके न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट को भी दिखाना है एंड मैं चल नहीं पा रही हूँ सो लेट्स सी
Okay. Right. Are they temporary side effects, है ना?
या
Hmm. Okay. We wish you all the healing energy, Divya, and
थैंक यू
yeah, I want to see you again on the this side here, sharing your second journey with us. So yeah, but when it is getting over,
अभी तो डॉक्टर्स ने बोला है कि एक और कीमोथेरेपी देंगी उसके बाद दिल स्टार्ट माय मेंटेनेंस थेरेपी
मेंटेनेंस चलेगा तो एक और कीमोथेरेपी अभी 21st को एडमिट हो रहे हो आप
हाँ 5 दिन चलेगी वो एंड देन मेंटेनेंस
ये so October you'll be back with us.
या
Yeah, okay. All the love and blessings, Divya. बस जल्दी से ठीक होके वापस आ जाओ सब लोग आपको बहुत याद करते हैं. Yeah, thank you. We would hear from Rajendra ji.
Hello. Hello. Can you listen to me?
Yes.
Yeah, I think Dr. Saloni very nicely gave suggestion. In addition to her suggestion, I would like to add 2 or 3 more things. She said that you get up early in the morning and 5-10 minutes you say I am healthy and I am healing. In addition to this, one thing is very important, and I tell you, one must do it, or everybody should do it. That once you get up, you do this thing, but you try to take as much as air possible, or as much air possible in your lungs. So you breathe in more in the morning. So
Exactly.
in addition to the medication, or in addition to your visualization, I am healing, I am healthy, this also will help you greatly physiologically, because once more oxygen is going in your body, in your lungs, more oxygen will go in your brain. And when more oxygen will go in your brain, you will have better capacity to fight any disease. This is definitely advantageous to give positive vibration or positive thing that I am healing, I am healthy. This is very important, but simultaneously 10 minutes, 15 minutes to the extent possible every day morning, you take maximum of air in your breathing and out. Even if you are going out, you try to do this thing. I think that will help you very much. This is one suggestion. Second, she has suggested about water therapy. That also is wonderful, because I have personally experienced that when you are saying something to water, it becomes magical. And many a time for my plants, I just put some mantra or something like that. This water is going to give life to the plants. Some such statement I am making, and that water is going to give good life to my plant. So my plant is become more healthy and better. This is very good therapy. But in addition to this, I would like to add something more. That our water is generally a simple water. You add on the water daily in the morning, add oning in a different way. This is what you say in Ayurveda. So you add in water ajmo hai, something small. You make 1 or 2 liters of water, add from the ajmo or sawa or lemon or cucumber. Just keep it, and then you drink that water. So what will happen? That will give that water is becoming add-on water in Ayurveda, and that helps you also very much because you are taking maximum water, and body is composed of 60% of water. And when you take this water, this type of water, it helps tremendously because I have been doing this daily. Daily, I have got a special type of flask. In flask, there is one small bottle, and in small bottle, I sometimes add broccoli or sometimes add lemon or sometimes add this what you say fun methi, all these things, and I drink that water throughout the day. I become very energetic. I remain very energetic. So this is very good experiment. Third, if at all you are, if I have time, then I'll go on. Huh? Dimple?
Yes, yes, you have time. Please continue. Yeah.
So these two things I have been doing regularly, and it is giving me wonderful result. And third, what doctor says, this beautiful thing, that is visualization. I refer to say when you say white energy is coming in your brain and it's making your body nice. This is a very scientific thing because the entire Earth, every entire Earth is living on the energy of the sun. If at all you say without sun, there is no life.
Yes.
There is no life in the world. So sun is constantly giving energy. That is called cosmic energy. And this cosmic energy is every day entering into our brain. And but this cosmic energy is entering to such a small extent in our brain that it is utilized during the day. During meditation or during your visualization, if you visualize this way, that this cosmic energy is entering into my Sahasrara chakra and passing through my body. So this visualization, or especially in the Buddha Dharma, if you see, they do meditation in a pyramid structure. So in a pyramid structure, maximum energy scientifically will enter your brain, and when it enters in your brain through Sahasrara chakra, 72,000 nadis of your bodies are getting clean. So all these nadis become clean and you become more healthier. So I am just putting it with scientific way that you must do visualization. That is again a part of meditation. But in your visualization, you must think as if that this cosmic energy is entering into your brain and passing through your body. And it is such a beautiful feeling, scientific feeling, because I have read lot many on sun. Because if at all I am asked to talk on sun, I can talk for 1 hour. Okay, what sun is about and how this energy is created. Whatever photon we receive today is must be more than 10,000 years old, because these photons are produced in the center of the sun at 15 million degrees centigrade temperature by fusion of helium into hydrogen. And 4 million ton is released as energy. They are photon, but it is in the center of the sun. While it comes to the surface of the sun, maybe it takes about 10,000, and from surface of the earth, it comes to our earth in 8 minutes, 19 seconds, and 8 minutes and 19 seconds, something like that. So this is all very scientific, wonderful. So every must do visualization, especially 2 times or 3 times. And whenever you do visualization, you also simultaneously say, I am becoming healthy, I am healing, and also this cosmic energy is entering into your brain continuously, because there is not only one star, there are billions of stars, and all these stars are releasing their cosmic energy, and all this cosmic energy is helping entire earth to survive, to relive. So same way, all this energy, if at all is entering into you, most of your disease probably will go away. You become more energetic, more happy, and more healthy. This is just I wanted to say, just to add to Dr. Salori. Probably she would agree to my suggestion. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Arindaji. You have so much of knowledge and understanding about this entire concept of healing. And thank you. Probably, we can talk a lot on this and also learn from you. So,
Yeah.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing. Yeah, we would
Or
hear.
only one more point in addition to this, I was also talking to Divya the other day because I have been in touch with her. And I have also told that whatever broken singing you can do, you do singing because music is also a good meditation and it will definitely organize because our brain cells are disorganized and see so many thoughts are coming and whatever we say in a negativity is bound to come when you have a cancer because you have a feeling that now your life is coming to an end. That is one thing. And when there is a severe pain also, whatever you say, whatever meditation you do, but then the fear, inside fear is there that I may die or I am suffering a lot. So this music is also giving a very good strength to your brain because it organizes the neurons of your brain and that will be helpful to everybody. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, Sushil ji, would you like to share your experience with this?
हाय एवरीवन। बहुत जरूरी है मेडिटेशन को एस्टेब्लिश करने के लिए मेडिटेशन बहुत जरूरी है ना। मेडिटेशन एस्टेब्लिश हो जाए और उसके लिए तो दिमाग से जितने भी वार्निंग्स कह लें या जितने भी इंस्ट्रक्शंस जाते हैं शरीर को, वो अगर बहुत ही काम होंगे, साइलेंट मतलब बहुत स्टेडी होंगे, तो मेरे ख्याल से एक्शंस के अगेंस्ट जो रिएक्शंस होती है वो भी उतनी ही प्रॉपर होगी। आज ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं, अभी मेरे भाई को सुन लेते हैं आप लोगों को। थैंक्स।
Thank you so much, Sushil ji. Mehul, would you like to share?
Hi. Yeah, of course. Hey, so Dr. Saloni, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. You say?
Divya, nice to see you. Always. Yeah, as usual, I again made a note of some things I wanted to talk and, chemo brain. So, first thing is that, yeah, I agree to what you said, and Dr. Rajendra, of course, gave the scientific overview of that whole meditation concept. And I'm a stage 4 cancer survivor as well. I was not taught all this, or I was not told all this, but I experienced it. I learned it my way because 7 years ago, we did not have anything like this to learn. So when I was in a radiation chamber in the machine, I used to welcome the rays kind of in my mind. Okay, come in and heal me, kill those cancer cells, be more strong. And I used to talk to myself. So it is kind of the same thing that you told, like, yeah, welcome the chemo in me and, fight it out and do this, and I should do that. So as you said that water as memory, I would not exactly agree with that because I haven't seen evidence about it, but 80% of our body is water. So water is a very important, and 80% of the universe, the earth is water. So water is a very important component of the universe, and I believe so. It has some connection with our body, healing. So that is one thing, and then you might call it a placebo effect, as you get. And I believe in power of attraction. Always, every session I'm telling power of attraction works. It is real. So yeah, you keep thinking of I'm going to be good in the morning, like I'm going to have a nice day and all. And I'm working in my office right now. I have all these stickers. Yeah, have a nice day, smile, this. So that keeps you in that flow. So that works. The power of attraction. You get what you think. And again, like Rajendra uncle said that the temples, the mosques, that's any place where you go and pray, there is a dome on top, right? Because there is a scientific reason. I don't know that, but the vibration in the universe, it comes back to you. You get back what you say. So completely agree with you. But yeah, you are a doctor. You have more scientific reasons to prove that. But I would suggest all the people going through cancer to follow this. Our body has the power to heal itself. And power of attraction is really, really true. You can try it and it works 100%. So thank you again. I was very eager to listen to you, and of course, next time Rajendra sir is there, so he's going to explain more in detail, and I have more questions for him on all this. So yeah, definitely. Thank you, Dimple, for getting everyone along.
Definitely, power of attraction always works. So And we have shared numerous examples where it has worked earlier as well. So thank you for sharing that, Mehul. Yeah. Pankaj ji, would you like to share your experience?
Yeah, Dimple, thank you very much for yet again, very interesting session, and Dr. Saloni for, your, I would say beautiful tips on these specific things. For me, the most important thing, as Mehul already said, is the power of attraction. Yes, of course. And, the second thing which is important is the mindfulness. And whatever gives you the mindfulness, I think that is something which actually going to work. Like for example, in my case, I do meditation almost on a daily basis. Even if it is 15 minutes, 20 minutes in the morning, that gives me the power for the entire day to keep my mind at the center. Basically, to be aware of what is happening around you and to be in the present, not thinking much about the past or not thinking much about the present. First thing. So this is really working very well. At least it keeps me calm, and then as I already said, that it also gives me the power for the complete day. Second is about the water therapy. So I also do something in the morning, which is basically my first when I really get up. So around 1 liter of water, I try to charge it by saying that I invoke the universal cosmic energy with love and honor. And then I say that this water is going to keep me healthy, this water is going to keep me positive. That is important. So and then this water is going to keep me healthy at least for the entire day. And the next day the same therapy will start right early in the morning. So these are the two things which are really very important for me in terms of doing something which is beyond the regular medication, and also the beyond the regular treatment which one actually should be taking it. So my recommendation, of course, do something which gives you the mindfulness. Number one. Secondly, do something which gives you the energy to go on. Like Rajendra ji said about the sun. So this is also something for me. Third thing in the morning, that whenever I go for a walk. So the first rays of the sun. I mean, I get up at almost 5:15 in the morning and then go for walk for almost 45 minutes. So first rays of my first sighting to the sun in the morning is basically folding my hands and then asking that give me energy and then also give me the power. मुझे ऊर्जा दो और मुझे शक्ति दो अपने आप को बिल्कुल ठीक रखने के लिए. So that is something which I mean I am being doing continuously on a continuous basis. Of course, there is a debate that probably may not be the scientific evidence of this, but now there are growing evidences that it actually works. It actually works to calm down yourselves, specifically when you are fighting a menace or a disease which that it may come anytime back. So all the best to all of you, and then let's do something. This is a message from my side, and thank you very much, Dr. Saloni, again for a very informative session. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Pankaj ji. And I did not know, and we all go through this, and how beautiful it is. So in fact, जब मैं अपनी जर्नी से निकल रही थी, तो सबसे पहला जो मुझे मेडिटेशन सिखाया था, it was our college alum Gautam Khanna, who is also CEO of Hinduja Hospital. तो वो IIM Calcutta के हमारे alum है, तो उन्होंने मुझे एक CD दिया था और उन्होंने सिखाया था कि मेडिटेशन कैसे करते हैं, और उन्होंने ही फिर मुझे किसी प्राणिक हीलर से कनेक्ट करवाया था जिन्होंने सेल्फ हीलिंग के बारे में बताया था. मैं I'll quickly search for it, self healing affirmation. I'll share with all of you as well. It was very powerful, and I could see the difference कि उनके नितेश के पेट में उनकी ओवरऑल जितना वो गुस्सा या फिर दर्द दिखता था फेस पे, वो कैसे धीरे धीरे शांत हो जाता था. तो पर्सनली व्हेन आई वाज क्राइंग एट टाइम्स, एंड आई रिमेंबर आई हैव वन एक रिकॉर्डिंग है मेरे पास 15 मिनट का जो मेरा खुद का है, एंड व्हेन आई वाज डूइंग दैट आई वाज कंप्लीटली लॉस्ट इन इट. जो मैं सेल्फ हीलिंग अफर्मेशन कर रही थी, दैट व्हाइल डूइंग इट आई स्टार्टेड क्राइंग, एंड इट वाज अ वेरी सूदिंग एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी कि मुझे काफी अच्छा लगा वो करने के बाद में कि, एंड दोस टीयर्स वर टीयर्स ऑफ healing, tears of shanti, कि it's okay. बुरा वक्त है, but it's okay. So, and many times the power of, in fact, Louise Hay has written this book where she talks about, she talks about two things. One is psychosomatic, कि आपका जैसे कोई स्ट्रेस लेता है तो उनके बैक में बहुत ज्यादा पेन होता है, and the kind of thoughts that come in our mind also affects our body directly, because there are trillions of cells in our body and they listen to what happens in the surroundings. इसके लिए बोलते हैं कि healing environment create करना बहुत जरूरी है, because everything has life, plants and everything has life. So वो उससे the vibration comes in, positive energy comes in. So and second is the power of attraction that we all have been talking about. So while doing meditation, while doing pranic healing or any of the things that we do, it's nothing but we are inviting positive energy in our life, and that helps in our physical healing as well at the same time. Lalit ji, you had some question. I am requesting you to answer.
डिम्पल मैडम, नमस्ते मैडम.
नमस्ते.
मैडम, पिताजी का भी एज है 65 ईयर,
हाँ.
और उनका मैडम राइट मैक्सिला में ना 3rd टाइम रिकरेंट हुआ है,
हाँ.
और उनका जो सेल है मैडम स्क्वामस सेल कैर्सिनोमा.
हाँ.
तो मैडम, हाँ, तो अभी उनका पैलिएटिव रेडिएशंस हो गया मैडम उनका राइट मैक्सिला में, नोज के बाजू में. तो मैडम अभी है ना उनको है ना अभी जो छाले पड़े थे मुंह में, तो वो अभी क्लियर हो गए सब. तो अभी है ना मैडम उनका थोड़ा टेस्ट चला गया है 2-3 दिन से. तो मैडम ये कोई ऐसा रेडिएशंस का ही साइड इफेक्ट है या फिर अनदर इशू?
हाँ, रेडिएशन के साइड इफेक्ट से जाता है टेस्ट. इनफैक्ट मेहुल हैज गॉन थ्रू द सिमिलर एक्सपीरियंस. मेहुल, आप शेयर करेंगे अपना जर्नी कि आप?
Yeah, Lalit, definitely. I had cancer on my throat, vocal cord पे था, और मुझे कीमो और फार्मो रेडिएशन दोनों हुआ था. So मेरे तो इनफैक्ट सभी टेस्ट बड्स ऑल वर बर्न्ड. आज मुझे जो अच्छा लगता है वो पहले अच्छा नहीं लगता था, और पहले जो अच्छा लगता था वो अभी अच्छा नहीं लगता. मतलब टोटली मेरा टेस्ट मुझे आने के लिए took me more than 6-7 months. I could not, I still cannot eat spicy. मतलब मुझे अभी भी तीखा खाना नहीं जमता है जो मैं पहले खाता था. बिल्कुल, मतलब everything will change. It is very normal. जो उनके टेस्ट बड्स है they will regrow. और मुझे I don't know, मतलब I didn't listen कि कहाँ पे, मतलब अगर रेडिएशन जॉ एरिया पे हुआ है तो you might have a dental problem as well. I had to replace all my teeth. मेरे सभी दांत मुझे निकल के I have 12 implants. क्योंकि वो ब्लड फ्लो जो है, अभी मेरे बियर्ड भी देखो यहाँ पे नहीं आता है. अभी 7 साल हो गए, लेकिन it still doesn't come. So that is very common in head and neck radiation and yeah. So बिल्कुल मेरी वाइफ तो बहुत खुश है कि पहले बैंगन नहीं खाता था, अभी बैंगन खाता है. तो I don't know, मतलब there are plus and minus points, so it is normal. It will take time. ये बहुत बड़ा बैटल है, इसको टाइम लगता है.
Yes sir, really, it's a very long time, sir.
Yeah, he might behave very different after the cancer treatment. So it's normal.
Yes.
Feel free to ask questions.
Okay, मेरे पिताजी बाजू में बैठे सर अभी.
नमस्ते सर.
हाँ, इनका इसे इशू है. अभी मुझे आज ही उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि मेरा स्मेल ये हो गया है, तो अपना सॉरी टेस्ट मेरा निकल गया है 2-3 दिन से. तो अभी मैडम ने शेयर किया मुझे, तो लिंक में तुरंत टाइम निकल के वो शेयर किया. मुंबई में मैं लोकल में था, जस्ट घर पे पहुंचा मैं, और मैं बोला कि मैडम को पहले मेरा क्वेश्चन हो, पहले मैं रिजॉल्व कर लेता हूँ. तो अभी आपने सर आपने बहुत अच्छा बोला, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे.
मेरा आप मुझे बाद में डिम्पल जी से मेरा नंबर भी ले सकते हैं. और अंकल, ये बहुत नॉर्मल है, ये इसमें कोई टेंशन नहीं है, ये सबको होता है. मुझे भी हुआ है. मुझे अभी भी मैं तीखा नहीं खा पाता हूँ. मतलब वो टेस्ट, ये जो बर्ड्स हैं अब सब जल जाते हैं, तो सब चेंज हो जाएगा. बट इसको टाइम लगेगा, धीरे धीरे आराम से आप वापस नॉर्मल हो जाओगे, पर टाइम लगेगा थोड़ा.
थैंक यू सर.
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, सब अच्छा हो जाएगा.
बस इससे क्या टेस्ट चला गया था. अभी मतलब नमक खा रहे तो नमक सब खा रहे, समझ में शक्कर सब
नहीं, वो होता है. मुझको अभी भी होता है. उल्टा मैं तो बोलता हूँ आपको कि अभी तो टाइम है, मतलब थोड़ा ऑर्डर करो, आज ये बनाओ वो बनाओ, सबको भगाओ यहाँ वहाँ पे. एकदम सब टाइम लगता. मुझे 6 से 7 महीने लगे थे वापस टेस्ट आने को. तो आपको जो जमता है वो खाओ. जैसे आपको कम अगर स्पाइसी, कम नमक क्या, तो आप वैसे करो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ये नॉर्मल है, ये सबको होता है, जिसका भी ट्रीटमेंट हुआ है ना कीमो रेडिएशन से, वो सबको होता है। और आपको कभी ऐसे लगे तो मुझसे बात करना है तो मुझे कभी भी फोन करो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं,
ठीक है सर।
है ना?
ओके डिम्पल मैडम।
या ललित जी।
हाँ डिम्पल मैडम, ये अभी पैलेटिव हो गया पापा का भी 5 दिन का, तो अभी उन्होंने बोला कि वो रिकरेंट हुआ है, 3rd टाइम आया। अभी जो उनका ट्यूमर था राइट मैक्सिलम में वो था 4.5 सेंटीमीटर का मैडम। तो अभी हमने वो तो सूरत में जाके कैंसर इंस्टीट्यूट में जाके वो उनका रेडिएशन कंप्लीट करवा लिया है। अभी उनको 60% फील बेटर नाउ। तो आगे का मैडम हम लोग एक मेडिसिन भी चालू किया हुआ है, जो क्योंकि मैडम अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते ज़्यादा ट्रीटमेंट के लिए। आपको पता है कैंसर ट्रीटमेंट का क्या कंडीशन होता है, मनी के बारे में, थोड़ा इकोनॉमिकल कंडीशंस में। तो आपके तरफ से मैडम कोई सजेशन या फिर और आपके अभी टीम में जो कुछ है इंक्लूड डॉक्टर को कोई सजेशन देना है तो प्लीज मुझे आप दे सकते हैं।
ठीक है, काम करूँगी ललित जी। 2-3 चीजें हैं। आप अपना एक बार नंबर मुझे मैसेज कर दीजिए, मैं यहीं पे इस हीलिंग सर्कल में ही। तो मैं ना आपकी जो रिपोर्ट्स है वो मैं रेडिएशन का केस है, मैं डॉक्टर जो फ्रेंड डॉक्टर है रेडिएशन ऑन्कोलॉजिस्ट में उनको दिखा दूंगी। हमें और कुछ करना चाहिए कि आगे वो आपको अच्छे से गाइड कर लेंगे। मैं उनसे आज बात कर लेती हूँ। हाँ, दूसरा आपके पिताजी को अगर कुछ साइड इफेक्ट्स या कुछ भी हो रहे हैं, तकलीफ अगर कुछ भी पेन है, क्योंकि पैलेटिव है ना, तो हो सकता है कुछ पेन हो रहा हो। तीसरा ये इसमें कुछ फंड रेजिंग के लिए गवर्नमेंट ग्रांट्स कैंसर में फंड्स भी देती है, तो गवर्नमेंट ग्रांट्स भी और कुछ ये एनजीओज भी हैं, तो मैं आपको उनसे भी कनेक्ट करवा कि आपको ये फंड पे अच्छा आपको हेल्प मिल जाएगा, है ना?
चलेगा मैडम, नो प्रॉब्लम, थैंक यू मैडम। हाँ मैडम।
आप सूरत में है क्या अभी?
नहीं, अभी मैडम मुंबई में हूँ मैडम।
मुंबई में ही है, अच्छा।
मैं मुंबई का हूँ मैडम, लेकिन हमने ट्रीटमेंट सूरत में किया था।
ऐसा क्यों?
मैडम क्या हो गया था, पैंडेमिक था पिछले साल कोविड की वजह से, और हमें पिताजी को ऑपरेशन जो हुआ था वो लॉकडाउन के 15 दिन पहले हुआ था सिलवासा में हुआ था। तो वहाँ से हमें बोला कि वो कैंसर का ये है, ट्यूमर है, पुअरली डिफरेंशिएटेड कैर्सिनोमा हुआ है, और उनका जो सेल टाइप है तो वो है स्क्वामस सेल कैर्सिनोमा। तो आप काम करो, एक तो टाटा में जाओ नहीं तो सूरत में जाओ, आपको 2 ऑप्शन हम देते। तो हम लोग ने, मैं उनका बड़ा लड़का होने की से मैंने उस टाइम मुंबई में कोविड बहुत था, तो उस टाइम मैंने वहाँ पे जाना ज़्यादा बेहतर समझा सूरत में, इसलिए मैं सूरत में जाकर ट्रीटमेंट चालू किया। और सूरत में मैंने हमें ट्रस्ट अंडर में थोड़ा पैसा भी कम लगता है।
राइट, ठीक है।
हाँ, अभी वहाँ से हमारा बाकी सब हो गया है, रेडिएशन सब वहाँ भी चल रहा है।
ठीक है, आप कांटेक्ट कर लीजिएगा और फिर मैं आपको गाइड कर लूंगी इसमें।
यस श्योर मैडम, वेरी थैंक्स मैडम, हार्टली थैंक्स।
नहीं कभी भी
नो मैडम, थैंक यू मैडम, मेहुल सर थैंक यू।
हाँ, आपको अभी हीलिंग एनर्जी के लिए भी अगर किसी से कनेक्ट करना हो, राजेंद्र जी काफी अच्छा हीलिंग करते हैं, सलोनी भी करते हैं, तो आप है ना, मैं आपको कनेक्ट करवा दूंगी। आप मेरे से एक बार कनेक्ट कर लीजिए, फिर मैं सबसे कनेक्ट करवा दूंगी आपको, तो उनको है ना आपके फादर की रिकवरी में वो बहुत हेल्प करेगा।
नो प्रॉब्लम, चलेगा मैडम। थैंक यू
मैडम। डिम्पल जी।
हाँ राजेंद्र जी बोलिए।
ये मुझे जो उसके टेस्ट के बारे में उसको बताना है कि मेरा भी 2 महीने तक टेस्ट चला गया था आफ्टर माय केमो। 2 महीने तक टेस्ट नहीं आया था कुछ खाने को, लेकिन मेरा सजेशन यही है कि अगर वो स्वीट अच्छा लगता है तो स्वीट खाओ, जो अच्छा लगता है खाओ। लेकिन बाद में क्या होता है कि अभी मुझे इतना टेस्ट है कि अभी मैं कुछ भी खाता हूँ ना तो इतना ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है, इतना टेस्ट आ गया है कि बॉडी जो हमारी टंग है ना रिकवर हो जाती है। ऐसे जैसे एज होती है ना, जब हम यंग थे ना तो अबाउट 10,000 टेस्ट होते हैं, और अभी कभी आफ्टर 60 ओनली अबाउट 1,000 टेस्ट ओनली यू कैन रिकॉग्नाइज, नॉट मोर देन दैट। तो ये 1,000 टेस्ट तुम्हारा पूरा आ जाता है, एंड आफ्टर 2-3 मंथ यू विल फील मोर हैप्पी कि अच्छा मेरा टेस्ट इतना अच्छा गया। तो ये टेस्ट के लिए कभी वरी नहीं करना, अच्छा आ जाएगा। और दूसरा एक डिम्पल दिव्या की बहुत बड़ी अच्छी क्वेरी थी कि पेरिफेरल न्यूरोपैथी जो हो जाती है ना, वो भी बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेट, पेरिफेरल न्यूरोपैथी,
राइट।
उसके लिए मैंने कभी एक्सपेरिमेंट किया है, क्योंकि पेरिफेरल न्यूरोपैथी तो मुझे 4 साल हो गए फिर भी अभी होती है, मीन्स पग में और हाथ में और फीट में ज्यादा होती पेरिफेरल न्यूरोपैथी। तो अभी बहुत दिन से मैंने योगा से कुछ डिस्कस किया आयुर्वेदिक डॉक्टर से, तो अभी जो एलोवेरा होता है ना, एलोवेरा की जो जूस आता है ना, बीटर एलोवेरा है, उसका जो जूस अगर आप लगाते हैं ना वो स्किन पे, तो उससे बहुत बेनिफिट होता है। अगर किसी को बहुत न्यूरोपैथी अगर हुई है, क्योंकि प्रिगाब्लिन के कोई टैबलेट देते हैं नॉर्मली, वो टैबलेट जनरली देते हैं जिसको न्यूरोपैथी है, लेकिन इन एडिशन टू दैट ये सिंपल यूज भी कर सकते हैं आप एलोवेरा का। और एलोवेरा कट करके उसका जो जूस है उसके पग पर रगड़ने का और हाथ पर रगड़ने का, इट विल बी ए ग्रेट एडवांटेज टू यू, बट इट शुड बी बिटर। हाँ,
राइट, ओके, थैंक यू। या अंजू जी, आप शेयर करना चाहेंगे आपने अपनी जर्नी में कैसे किया?
हाँ, मेरे को तो मैं रेडिएशन के बाद मतलब स्टार्ट ही हुआ था रेडिएशन, तो 7वें दिन डॉक्टर ने पूछा आपका टेस्ट गया क्या? मैं कहा नहीं गया, और 2 दिन बाद चला गया, तो मेरे को लगा कि कोरोना तो नहीं है, पर फिर पता चला कि रेडिएशन के भी ये सिम्टम होता है। तो मेरे तो 4 महीने टेस्ट नहीं आया था, ऐसा लगता था क्या खा रहे हैं, बनाती मैं खुद चूर के खा रहे हैं, पर कोई टेस्ट नहीं आता, न मिर्ची का न नमक का, कुछ भी नहीं आता था। तो कोई बात नहीं, जो भी अपने को पसंद है उसको चूर के खाना है, तो निकल जाता है टाइम, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। अपने को तो अपना इलाज करना है ना, तो अच्छा स्वस्थ रहना है, टेस्ट तो वापस आ जाएगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
और आपने हीलिंग के लिए मेडिटेशन या नेचर में टाइम स्पेंड करना और क्या क्या किया?
अरे मैं तो देखो गाने गाती थी, हाँ नेचर में तो बहुत रहती थी, सुबह से उठते ही सूर्योदय के लिए छत पे चली जाती थी, पैदल घूमती थी, क्योंकि मेरी बालकनी से बहुत अच्छा सीन दिखता है, गुलमोहर के पौधे पेड़ हैं बहुत सारे, तो वो सारी चीज करनी थी। और एक है अपने ये डॉक्टर रश्मि मेनन, उन्होंने हमको मेडिटेशन और योगा सूक्ष्म व्यायाम वगैरह सिखाए थे, तो मेरे तो हाथ की है तो उठता ही नहीं था हाथ, तो ये सब अब सब कहीं सही होने लगा। वो धीरे धीरे उन्होंने व्यायाम बढ़ाए, सूर्य नमस्कार तक पहुंचा दिया था उन्होंने। और सनरेज लेना बहुत जरूरी है मॉर्निंग की, विटामिन डी के लिए वो बहुत ही जरूरी है, आप जितने पोर्शन पे ले सको अपनी बॉडी में, वो सनरेज लेना बहुत जरूरी है, उससे काफी फर्क पड़ता है। और ये अपने जितने ग्रुप्स हैं उसमें जो भी आपके जैसे पेशेंट है उनसे आप जरूर बात करें, सिमिलर पेन्स को वो समझ पाते हैं कि ऐसा उनके साथ भी होता है। जो अपनी जैसे टाइप में, मेरे जैसे ब्रेस्ट कैंसर था तो मैं उन्हीं से बात कर लेती थी, तो काफी चीजों की प्रॉब्लम अपन समझ के और आपस में शेयर करके निकल जाता था। ये डिम्पल जी को भी मैंने 2-3 बार पर्सनल बात की, इन्होंने फिर मेरे को 2-3 अलग लोगों से बात कराई, तो अपने मन की बात हल्की हो जाती है, तो अपने को काफी टेंशन दूर हो जाती है। बाकी घर में तो सब जने अपने अपने हिसाब से करते ही हैं, पर बीमारी के बारे में तो अपन लोग ही जानते हैं आपस में, तो ये ग्रुप से जुड़े रहना बहुत जरूरी है। हम लोग इंतजार करते हैं शनिवार को, हमारे को किसी न किसी से जुड़ना है, उनकी हिस्ट्री जाननी है, उन्होंने क्या कैसे हिम्मत रखी वो चीजें, और अपने काम सब खुद करो, कोई दया नहीं करनी अपने आप पे कि है ना मेरे को ये बीमारी हो गई थी। जितना आप कर सकते हो करो, तो भूख भी लगेगी, मन भी लगेगा, भूल जाओ इस बीमारी को, वो तो निकल गई, इलाज चल रहा है अब, इसी तरह से निकलोगे। बच्चों के साथ आप रहो, बच्चों के साथ खेलो, तो आप अपनी बात भूल जाओगे।
थैंक यू। हाँ, yeah, Saloni, you would want to share anything? Hi, Saloni.
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah.
तो सबका सुन के बहुत अच्छा लगा कि सबको इन चीजों के बारे में नॉलेज है, क्योंकि जब कोई भी इस चीज से खुद पास करता है तो उसको ये सेल्फ हीलिंग चीजें सारा कुछ अपने आप समझ आने लग जाता है। बिकॉज सो लाइफ में जब कुछ टफ आता है तो उसको इजी करने के लिए हमें खुद ही सब कुछ सीखना पड़ता है। सो मुझे अंजू मैम का सुन के बहुत अच्छा लगा, हाउ मोटिवेटिंग शी इज, और उनकी स्माइल और सारा कुछ ऐसे बताते हैं कि मतलब उन्होंने कितनी इजीली सारा कुछ फेस कर लिया। उनको देख के इतना मजा आ रहा था कि लग ही नहीं रहा था कि शी इज समवन हु इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम कैंसर। कितनी अच्छी बात बोली उन्होंने कि बच्चों के साथ खेल लो, ऐसे करो, मतलब शी इज सो मोटिवेटिंग। उनको देख मेरा दिल कर रहा था कि मैं उनकी बातें सुनी जाऊं, कितना अच्छा समझा रहे थे वो। शी इज वेरी इंस्पायरिंग और उनकी स्माइल बहुत स्वीट है मैम। बहुत अच्छा लगा आपको सुन के मुझे। तो बाकी यही है कि हम जितना हम पॉजिटिव रहेंगे उतनी जल्दी हम सब कुछ हील कर सकते हैं अपनी लाइफ में। और पॉजिटिविटी, एनर्जी, सारा कुछ यही है। मेरे से ज्यादा नॉलेज मुझे खुद बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला इस सेशन में डॉक्टर राजिंदर सर से। उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा समझाया, जो भी उन्होंने बताया मुझे उनसे कुछ अच्छी बातें और टिप्स सीखने को मिली कि एक्सरसाइज उतनी ही इम्पोर्टेंट है, जो कि मैं आगे अपनी लाइफ में अगर किसी को समझाना चाहूँ तो उनकी टिप्स भी मैं यूज कर सकती हूँ। बाकी मेहुल सर, ही इज वेरी इंस्पायरिंग। मैंने स्पेशली उनको देखकर मुझे इतना अच्छा लगता है कि उनकी मैंने सोशल मीडिया पे पिक्चर्स देखी। ही इज वेरी पॉजिटिव एंड इतने हैप्पी पर्सन लगते हैं कि उन्होंने कभी लाइफ में ऐसा कुछ देखा ही नहीं है। So everyone is so inspiring. It was my good luck to be here and to share my views and to listen to all of you. So this is what.
Yeah, thank you.
And thanks to you, Dimple ma'am. You are such an inspiration for everyone. The day I saw you and I saw your profile, it was like I was just seeing someone my ideal. Like you started your NGO, you started helping people. How the way you are helping everyone, this is so inspiring. Really, such an inspiration you are.
Thank you so much. Just a small part I'm playing here, and I also
No, it is very big.
thank you. I also wanted to share the self-healing meditation I was talking about, and it's by Master Choa Kok Sui. I can share it in the groups as well if somebody needs it. Yeah. So it says, it goes like this: to the Supreme Being, flood me with your healing and purifying light. I forgive all those who have caused me injury or pain. I release all the hurts. I am at peace and filled with love. My whole being is becoming healthier and healthier. Every day, in every way, I am getting better and better. God is merciful. God is almighty. He is healing me of all my ailments in full faith and in deep gratitude. So be it.
ऐसे ऐसे कि कोई आदमी दरवाजे तक आ गया।
Sorry?
प्रणाम।
Okay.
ठीक ठीक।
Okay. So thank you so much. And this actually, this self-healing took me back to my time because हम लोग रोज I think maybe 100 times करते थे ये. So very peaceful, and I just after going through today's session, after experiencing this, all we do is pray and wish for everybody's healing, recovery, and yeah. So difficult times come, they go, but important that we take care of our health. And and one more important thing, हमने इतनी सारी healing stories सुनी है यहाँ पे कि एक जो कॉमन चीज जो आप सबने देखी है कि लोग हमेशा यही बोलते हैं कि मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ, विल पावर, पॉजिटिविटी, इनसे बहुत ज्यादा उनको हिम्मत मिली है और करेज मिला है जर्नी से निकलने का. सो दिस द सेशन दैट वी हैड टुडे ऑन healing energy, meditation, the power of attraction, it's nothing but a way to keep our willpower strong to get through this. So कहीं तो हमें faith चाहिए होता है ना, तो यहाँ से हमें faith मिलता है कि हाँ हम लोग ठीक हो सकते हैं. So whatever mantra, whatever energy, whatever kind of chanting helps you, we will let's do that. And wishing everybody, Lalit ji and everybody, Shankarao ji, his daughter is having treatment right now. सबको बहुत सारा love, prayers and blessings. If anybody wants to share anything, yeah, I think Ashok ji wanted to share something, I think. Okay. So with this, and thank you so much, Saloni, for sharing your experience, and you work with
Thank you.
Yeah. And you have seen miracles, you have seen the impact of everything that you just talked. So, and this is one of the practice that we say, creating healing environment that starts not only in our room but also in our thoughts, also in
Yeah.
everything that we do. So वो जो 7 healing practice है, वो तो I always talk, it's my favorite. I'll just share here with for everyone's benefit. And probably if you're going through the journey, just see कि हम कैसे mindfully इन practices को अपनी lifestyle में लेके आ सकते हैं, so that we all get healed and we all get better. So I'll just share this with everyone here. Yeah. So these are the 7 healing practices. So इन सबको inculcate करनी चाहिए. Eating well, moving more, sleeping well, managing stress, creating healing environment, sharing love and support that we all always do here on every Saturday, and exploring what matters now in life. So yeah, and I am really curious to ask this question to Divya. What matters to you in life after going through this experience second time?
Second time, what matters to me now is just to be happy. As I always say, अब जितना मैं happy रहती हूँ वो पहले नहीं रहती थी, और जितनी भी help कर पाऊँ किसी भी की, not just cancer patient but जो भी like anyone in need, तो वो करनी है.
Okay. Purpose remains same.
Yeah.
Thank you, Divya, and thank you so much everyone for joining in today, and wish you all a very healthy and healing life. Thank you. Thank you, Saloni.
Thank you.